Hello dear viewers, welcome to the Art Isn't a Fart channel with me, the Artster. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own wizarding wand from the Harry Potter series. Let me tell you, this is very easy to make, so don't go buying it on Amazon. You can easily make it at home. So let's start. First of all, you need a stick. You need a stick, and then the size of the stick should be according to your hand. You need to adjust it according to your hand. After that, when you have adjusted it, the part that does not fit or make it seem longer, you can just remove that bit. Then what you got to do is you got to remove these outgrowths. These. Then it's all cakewalk. After you remove this and then put the grip, what you got to do is this part, that is the hilt of the wand, you got to tape it and then make it a bit thick. Like you can use thermocol or you can use some other really thick piece of paper to make it a bit thick from here so that you have a good grip. Then what you got to do is the tip of the wand, you gotta make it, a bit thin. So just remove it and remove this wood tiltedly to make it thin. After that, when everything is ready, all you gotta do is just paint your wand. So for my wand, I used the burnt sienna paint on the screen right now. And then I painted it. But also please remember, before painting, you gotta make this design by using the glue gun. This design, as you can see, you gotta make it using the glue gun. And guys, there you go. That's your Harry Potter wand.